Ito yung exam namin sa EIMNC2, identification of types of wires and parameters. Okay, and devices, electrical devices, conduits, electrical materials, and boxes, enclosures, and electronic devices, components of CCTV and FDAS tools, measuring equipments. Yan. So, other materials. Ito na sa floor namin nilagay.